Get ready to light up your parties with the YIER Bluetooth speaker. Incredible sound loved by million people. YIER wireless Bluetooth speaker has a 80-watt output power and the latest 4 drivers. Beats-driven light show. And with the excellent rhythm light show, your party will more shine. Easily operate the light. Just press the sun button and the light is in your hands. You can switch 4 light modes. Rich punch bass. Your party speaker is equipped with the latest bass-up technology. Press this bass button, this speaker will pack a punch and is enough to fill the whole party with music. Check out the link in the description to get more details.